If you are writing a Laravel code but still feel slow, confused, or stuck, this video is for you. So today I'm sharing a modern Laravel development tips that are quick, easy, and actually useful. The kind of things that I wish someone told me earlier. So hi everyone, I'm Gina Soni. If you are a beginner, intermediate, or even a experienced Laravel developer, stay till the end because these tips can save you hours of debugging and refactoring. So let's start with the first tip. Think in Laravel way, not just PHP. So most developers write a Laravel like plain PHP, and that's the mistake. So while Laravel is a convention based, opinionated, and designed for readability, so instead of writing everything manually, use eloquent relationships, use request validations, use helper and collections, because cleaner code is equal to fewer bugs, and fewer bug is equal to faster development. So use the Laravel framework fully. And second one is keep controller clean, is very important thing. So if your controller is no longer than your skin, that's good. So like so many developers write all of the things in the controller like business logic and database queries everywhere. So it's control functions look very long because all of the validation things, business logic, queries, and all of these things are in a one place. So I will not recommend do this type of things. Instead of separately use controller functions like use request for the and response, and move a logic into a service classes and action classes jobs, and think of the controller as a traffic police, not a worker. So it's a good practice, like separating all of the things like the validations, request, response, and the business logic. So use this uh, like this. And the third one is use a form request validations always. So stop validating inside a controller like this request and validate and pass the validated. Instead, use the form request classes. So keep the validation clean and reusable, and auto authorize requests. So this make your code cleaner, testable, and professional. And the modern Laravel devs never skip this. So remember, use the form validations request. And fourth one is the master the Laravel collections. So collections are one of the Laravel's biggest superpowers. Instead of for each loop, use the map, filter, plug, and group by functions. So your code becomes shorter, more readable, and less error prone. So if you master a collections, you will feel 10x more confident. And use additions like pro. So most devs only use PHP additions. So but modern Laravel devs use make model hyphen mcr to create model controller and uh, resource together. And another is make request to create a request class, and make job to create a job, and use the optimize to optimize a cache, and route list to see all the routes by using the one command. So artisans is not optional anymore, it's your daily productivity tool. So use the additions commands like pro, and follow the clean folder structures. So don't dump everything inside controller and models only, but use the modern project often have like services, actions, reviews, and repository. So your future self will and your teammate will thank you. And never ignore a security basis like some quick wins. Always use the fillable and guarded. Never trust front end validations only. Use CSRF and auth middleware properly. Avoid rogue queries when possible. And security issues don't show immediately, but when they do, it's painful. So never ignore a security basis. And other is start writing basic taste, like at least a few features taste. You don't need 100% test coverage. Just start with auth flows, APIs, and critical business logic. Even a few test scans like prevent breaking changes, increase confidence, and make refactoring easier. And use the environment properly, like never hard coded keys. Use like API keys, URLs, credentials. Use .env smartly, like separate dev and production configurations. Keep secrets safe and avoid a deployment surprises. So use the env properly. And the other thing is focus on readability, not just working code. So working code is good, but readable code is more professional. So ask yourself, can another dev understand this? And will I understand this after few months? So this kind of questions help you. Yes, you are growing as a developer. So you have made all of these mistakes in my early. If I ever made all of these mistakes in my early level journey, and fixing them completely change how I code today. So Laravel is not about writing more code, but it's about writing a better code. So if you found this video helpful, then like the video, comment which tips help you the most, and subscribe for the more content like this. And if you want a deep dive in any specific topics, then tell me in the comments. And keep learning, keep building, and remember, clean code is mindset, not a skill. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, stay connected.